Welcome to your new job at the United Protein Service. Before you begin, it is important to understand what the goal of our company is and what your specific responsibilities will be. Please review the following slides in order to better prepare for your new job. When DNA makes an online order, it is your job to transcribe that order into shipment-safe packaging. The translation of the package depends on the result of the transcription. It is imperative that you remember T transcribes to A transcribes to U, G transcribes to C, and C transcribes to G. If you get that correct, then you will be able to match up the three-box group to the correct truck. For example, TAC transcribes to AUG, which will then be translated to the methionine truck. The MET truck will always be first, so be sure to scan the mRNA packages for the AUG triplet in order to find where translation will begin. After being loaded with the correct package trio, the truck is ready for delivery. Before we get started with the sample order, here's your chart with all of the truck names and which packages belong in them. Note that the order of the boxes is crucial. This is the original DNA order strand, manipulated in order to obtain the ATG triplet in the coding strand, which will mean the template strand will have the TAC codon. Review the previous training on replication if needed. As we just saw, this will code for our first truck, MET. Following the original strand, you can see the 5-truck sequence needed to complete the order: MET, VAL, ARG, Phi, and LIS. The stop truck will prevent other trucks from being added to this group. Occasionally, mistakes are made in the order. This causes a response in the trucks which you should be prepared for. In a read-through error, the stop codon experiences a point mutation which changes it to a different truck. If the trucks are not cut off by a stop truck, more trucks will be added to the truck train, making it much longer than 5 trucks long. In a nonsense error, a point mutation will alter a codon prior to the normal stop codon to be a stop codon. In this example, the truck train was shortened from 5 trucks to 4 trucks. In a MISSENSE error, you will find that the number of trucks is the same, but one of the trucks is different. This is because the package trio which codes for the arginine truck was altered to now code for the glycine truck. Finally, a silent error will code for the exact same order of trucks, but the packages will be slightly different. You will notice on your chart that some package trios code for the same truck. In a silent mutation, one of the packages in the trio is changed, but the truck will stay the same. You have now completed this section of training and are almost ready to jumpstart your career as a UPS employee. Remember that mutations will alter the online order the DNA originally asked for, so it's our job to make sure those mutations are accounted for.